Let us solve OpenStax University Physics, Volume 1, Chapter 2, Problem 60. Two tugboats pull a barge on opposite sides of line AB. One pull has magnitude 4,000 force units at 15 degrees from the line. The other has magnitude 5,000 force units at 12 degrees on the other side. We will resolve both pulls into components, add them, and find the magnitude and sign direction of the resultant. Choose axes that simplify the geometry. Put positive x along line AB in the general direction of both poles. Put positive y toward the 4,000 unit tugboat. Notice that x is vertical on the screen. Coordinate names describe directions. They do not have to match the page edges. With this choice, both x components are positive, while the two y components have opposite signs. Now, resolve each pull, beginning with vector c. Its 4,000 unit length is the hypotenuse. The 15-degree angle is measured from line AB, so the component along line AB is the adjacent leg, c cosine 15 degrees. The sideways component is the opposite leg, c sine 15 degrees. Read those relationships from the enlarged triangle instead of memorizing a pattern. In the full diagram, cy is positive. For vector d, the along line component is d cosine 12 degrees. Its sideways component points opposite positive y, so it is negative d sine 12 degrees. The triangle selects sine or cosine. The coordinate axes determine the signs. Add x components to x components and y components to y components. Along line AB, the components reinforce, getting 8,754.44 force units. Sideways, the terms almost cancel. Positive 1,035.28 minus 1,039.56 gives negative 4.282. This tiny number is not automatically a mistake. It is the small difference between two much larger, nearly balanced components. The resultant components form another right triangle. Its magnitude is the square root of rx squared plus ry squared. Substitution gives 8,754.44 force units. To the shown precision, the magnitude is almost identical to the large x component because the sideways component is only about 4.3 units. The diagram enlarges that sideways leg so that we can see it. For direction, use the signed components. The angle relative to line AB is inverse tangent of ry over rx. This gives negative 0.0280 degrees. The magnitude of the angle is tiny, but the sign matters. Our positive y direction points toward the 4,000 unit tugboat, so a negative angle means the resultant leans slightly toward the 5,000 unit side. A positive only answer would lose that directional information. The resultant components are 8,754.44 along line AB and negative 4.282 sideways. The magnitude is 8,754.44 force units at negative 0.0280 degrees relative to line AB. The general workflow is to align useful axes, resolve each vector with signs, add like components, and interpret the final angle using the axes you chose.